Welcome. Today, we're exploring how to receive push notifications for live videos on Facebook using your PC. With this new update, staying connected to live broadcasts has never been easier. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on the notifications icon. This is where all your alerts are displayed. Next, locate the three dots next to the notification list. Click on these dots to reveal additional options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize how Facebook notifies you about various activities. Once you're in the Notification Settings menu, scroll down and find the section labeled Video. Click on it to expand the options specifically related to video notifications. Here, you'll see an option to enable push notifications. Simply toggle the switch next to push notifications to turn them on. By activating this feature, Facebook will send real-time alerts directly to your desktop whenever a live video starts. This ensures you never miss out on broadcasts from friends, pages, or groups that matter most to you. And that's it. You've successfully set up push notifications for live videos on Facebook using your PC. Now, every time someone goes live, you'll be notified instantly so you can join in and stay engaged. Thanks for following along. Make sure to share this guide with others who might find it helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your social media experience.